Survival skills aren't just for extreme adventurers. They're essential life skills we should all know, especially our kids. Teaching children how to stay safe and resourceful in emergencies doesn't have to feel like a classroom lecture. In this video, I'll share practical, fun, and engaging ways to help your kids develop crucial survival skills. From building shelters to finding water, these tips are not only valuable, but also a great way to bond as a family. Let's dive into some creative ways to teach survival skills while keeping it entertaining. Start by teaching basic map reading and compass skills. You can turn it into a treasure hunt in your backyard or at a local park. Hide survival supplies like water bottles or snacks and have your kids follow a map to find them. Not only is this fun, but it also teaches critical thinking and directional awareness. Introduce the basics of fire safety and how to build a campfire under supervision. Use non-toxic fire starters like dryer lint and teach kids how to arrange kindling and larger logs for a small fire. Emphasize the importance of only building fires in designated areas and putting them out completely. Set up a scenario where your kids must build a shelter using sticks, leaves, and tarps. This teaches them resourcefulness and the importance of protection from the elements. You can even make it a race to see who builds the most effective shelter. Teach kids how to find and purify water in the wild. You can use a simple water filtration kit or show them how to boil water over a campfire. For a hands-on demonstration, let them experiment with filtering water through sand and charcoal in a bottle. Guide them on identifying edible plants or berries in your local area. Use a trusted field guide and emphasize the never eat anything unless you're 100% sure it's safe rule. This activity can also include learning to spot poisonous plants like poison ivy. Make first aid training interactive. Create pretend injuries with makeup or markers and have your kids practice bandaging, splinting, or creating slings. This makes first aid less intimidating and equips them to handle emergencies confidently. Run what-if scenarios such as, what would you do if you got lost in the woods? Help your kids think through strategies like staying put, signaling for help, and conserving energy. Teaching survival skills doesn't have to be overwhelming or boring. Through fun activities like navigation games, shelter building challenges, and hands-on fire safety, your kids can gain the tools they need to stay calm and resourceful in an emergency. These lessons are not just about survival, they're about building confidence and life skills. Now, it's your turn. Start introducing these activities into your family routines and make survival skills a fun, regular part of your lives. Share your favorite teaching ideas or tips in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more survival strategies in our next video. Let's keep learning and growing together. Stay safe and stay prepared.